Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, doing a quick little video here with you today, and I'm using some Colourarte prism pours, and I have a really nice blue-gray base there. So I just wanted to remind you all, next Sunday, April 24th, starting at 2:45 p.m., we're doing another Colourarte spring giveaway. Each video, you'll have a chance to win an 8-ounce prism pour set, and one lucky winner will win the $400 mega prize of the 8-ounce bottles, and for that you need to collect all the words in each 14 videos. So there are 14 artists to watch and learn from and get some new ideas from. So you have to collect all the words to form the secret phrase, which will be then emailed to Leslie at Colourarte, and you get your chance to win that mega prize. This is our third time doing this event, and each time it gets better and better and bigger and bigger. So good luck to all of you, but please join us next week and see some new artists. Maybe some of the artists you haven't been following, and you'll meet some new people. So it's just a great chance for us to get together as a team and do something really special for all of you guys who watch us all the time and support our videos. So with that said, all the information is down below in my description box. Go check that out, and there's a link there to the Colourarte page where you can get a reminder as well. And that'll be about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and then join me next week. I think my slot is at 5:15. And yeah, have a great one, everybody. See you next week. Bye.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. so far out at sea. There's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel you worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.